that you're here. I'm so happy that you showed up to this party because I have something really special, fantastic to show you that you're all going to want to have. It's called the 21-piece Essential Collection, and that's because essentially you need to have all 21 pieces. Okay? And you're going to remember my name before it's over because we're celebrating Cinco de Mayo coming up, right? Yeah. And what's the favorite drink? Margarita, that's right. And my name is a derivative of Margarita. I'm Rita, so there you go. Okay, so there's going to be an easy way for you to get this set because I know you're all going to want it. All right, so I'm going to tell you the first thing you have to do. Everybody in the building, say yes.
Yes.
No, a little better than that. Yes. Yes. Okay, now you're on your way. You're on your way to getting it. So let's start on this side. So we're all going to have like a Cinco de Mayo gathering, a picnic, a party. My preference would be a barbecue, okay? And so we start out with all these beautiful bowls. And I know you might be saying, Rita, they're bowls. What can you say about a bowl? You all know what to do with a bowl, right? And these are special bowls. These are way better than you could even imagine. Now let me tell you why. First of all, I know you see these beautiful colors. Yes? You like the colors?
Yeah.
Okay. These colors are so great, they even named them. Yeah. So like everybody knows fuchsia. This little blue here, darker blue, is called Laguna, like the water, like we're at the beach. And then of course my favorite color, Margarita. Okay, so now you have your large salad bowls, you got 3 of them, and you have 4 small ones. But now let me tell you about these bowls. This is why they're special. If you're like me and you have arthritis in your thumbs or your hands or your wrists, or you just kind of old and feeble and can't open the bowl, or you're really young and you aren't real quick and nimble and can't open the bowl, these are fantastic. These bowls have seals that are actually called easy seals. Let me tell you why. You remember the ones we have called One Touch?
Yeah.
So it's got this little spot in the middle, and these bowls have lips. So think about it, bowls with lips, right? So you press down in the middle, and if you can't do it with your thumb, because I actually have a problem with my thumb, guess what? You can use your elbow. So you press down in the middle, and it releases the air from the bowl, and I'm gonna use my thumb. It releases the air, so you grab it by the lip and it comes right off. You're supposed to say, ooh. Wow. Okay, also if you notice how deep these bowls are. So now, I know they're called salad bowls, but imagine if you have a teenage kid that eats half a box of cereal at a time, right? Nice deep bowl, okay? Or you have someone who's, a little messy and they spill their salad everywhere. A lot of space in the bowl. So you've got 3 of these. So this is going to be good for your, let's say your guacamole. Come on, help me. Your chicken salad, potato salad, and then your fresh green salad. And then you have your serving bowls. So these bowls are not just bowls. These are what? Special bowls, right? Right? Everybody say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so you're serving up your tacos and all your other great recipes, and you're gonna have rice. You always have rice. Some of us have potato salad and other things that we want to serve in a serving bowl. Well, this is more than just a serving bowl. This is a smart serving bowl. Let me tell you why. Have you ever had somebody walk up to the table to fix their plate, and they take the spoon out of the food that they're serving and put the spoon in something else like barbecue sauce? And then you're like, I don't want barbecue sauce in my potato salad, right? Okay, so we thought of everything. These bowls have a notch, to indicate that you should put you should put the spoon right in the notch so it stays with that dish. Was that smart? You like that? Yeah. Okay, gotta have it. And of course you put the top on it, because we're outside, we don't want the flies and the mosquitoes and the critters to get into our rice. Okay? You with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move right along. So now we have these fuchsia colored plates. Now, if I could go out and pass you these plates so you could feel them. I do so because you would absolutely love them. I know it looks like a Frisbee, and it probably would double as a Frisbee, but it's a plate. And the nice thing about this plate is it has a nice lip, a nice rim all the way around, so you don't spill your potato salad and your tacos. They don't fall out, on the floor because what? You've had too many margaritas, right? Okay, so you gotta have these. Now you might be asking yourself, Rita, are those plates microwavable? Well, the answer to your question is always going to be on the bottom of your container. Okay, Tupperware, all you have to do is pick up any of them, and it'll have a little symbol that'll say dishwasher safe, microwave safe, margarita safe. Take a look on the bottom. Okay, so we're moving right along because I gotta hurry. Now I have this really special picture. You know what this picture is for? The margaritas. You got it. There you go. So let me give you a real quick recipe. So let's make this a mango margarita. Yeah. So get you some mangoes, peel them up, and take like half of those mangoes and put them in your quick chef or your power chef. I'm sorry, yes. And you're gonna put some water and some sugar, and you're gonna blend it all up and make it nice and smooth. And you're gonna pour it in here with your margarita mix, yeah. And then you're gonna pour in some triple sec, yeah, a couple times. And then of course your tequila, right? And your ice, and maybe you wanna put a couple limes in here. So now check this out. You have made this creative, delicioso drink for everybody, and you put your ice and it's sitting on the table, and they're not quite ready yet. Okay, so it's been sitting there, and all the ingredients have settled to the bottom. So they come up and they're ready to drink, and you're like, hold on, wait a minute, you guys are all gonna get drunk because the liquor's just on the top. We gotta mix it up. So guess what? It comes with a mixer inside the bowl. Is that nice?
Very nice.
You're supposed to say, ooh, wow, that's right. There you go. Okay, because actually, look, you can turn the seal on this to lock it in so that, if your drunk uncle is up there trying to squish it up, it won't all spill out. Okay? It works better when there's some margaritas in there. But anyway, you turn it just a little bit the other way, and if you notice, it's got the pour spouts right there. Okay? So you can pour, so when it's facing this way, you can pour the margaritas out. What's so fantastic about this though, is you have this seal. So again, we keep out the flies, and we keep out the bees and all the other critters that want to drink up your margaritas. Now, coming along with that is your 12-ounce tumblers. Now these 12-ounce tumblers are great because they come with seals, and in case you guys didn't know it, if you have a round seal in Tupperware, that means it's leak proof, okay? So if you put the margarita in here and you give it to your drunk uncle, put the seal on it, so while he's sitting there, if he happens to knock it over, it's not gonna, it's not gonna leak. Now if they're square, your square ones are airtight. So remember, if it's square, it's air, but when they're round, they are leak proof, okay? So you have 4 of these that come in the set, because of course you have to have the whole set, okay? Now I got one more thing to show you, and this is probably my favorite thing. How many of you out there have a purse with everything but the kitchen sink in it? Yeah, a lot of you, huh? Okay, I venture to say you're missing one item, and that is your own personal silverware. How you like that? Take a look. I got a spoon, knife, and a fork, and they actually clip together, fold up, and go inside this great little case, okay? So now check this out. If you are a germaphobe, right? I know there are plenty of you out there. You can't stand the fact that you don't know where those dishes have been, you don't know if they were cleaned properly, if they're sanitized. Well, bring your own, right? What about those of you who are actually worried about the ecology? You care whether or not we throw a whole bunch of nastiness in this big huge cesspool in the ocean and kill all the fish in the sea, right? So don't throw away plastic dishes. Buy your own. Have it in your purse. You can keep it clean, and you want to take the cover off and put the silverware in your dishwasher because they're dishwasher safe. So like I said before, you gotta have it, right? You're supposed to say yes. Yes. Keep up with me, people. Yes. Okay. So it's gonna be real easy for you to get this set. All I need you to do, besides saying yes, is invite a few people over to your house. Tell them that I'll be there, and I'm gonna put on the show for them, and they're gonna love everything they see. And because they said yes, you get the entire collection. Is that fabulous? Can y'all say yes? Yes. Thank you so much.